Hey guys, it's Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to show you how you can go into Facebook and launch a poll for your Facebook business page as of autumn 2020. Now, Facebook has moved this feature from where you're probably used to seeing a poll, which is actually right here in this picture is create a post right here. But what Facebook is doing is they're actually creating more publishing tools for businesses. And so they've actually moved this. So I'm going to show you how you can access this in your Facebook business page as of autumn 2020. Okay. So here we are in the one of our poll engagement ideas. Now we give you and create easy to launch, super engaging Facebook polls, as well as story polls that you can launch instantly on Facebook and Instagram. And the reason why we want to use polls is because they're super engaging, they're easy to launch, and your patients and your fans will love them, and they'll interact with them, which of course will jog the social media algorithms and help you get more traffic and help you get more engagement, which helps you get more reach. So you want to use polls, and we offer these. They're new, at least a couple new ones every month, if not every week, and you'll find those in the engagement ideas here when you click on this link in your Adira account. So here you just simply follow the instructions, copy and paste this, and go over to Facebook and publish these instantly. So let's go ahead and go over to Facebook. And I'm going to show you exactly where you can access the polls right now. So you click on Publishing Tools, and what's going to happen is Facebook is going to open up Publishing Tools, and we will wait here as Facebook takes its sweet old time. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. So what you want to do is you want to come over here to publish posts. You want to come over here and hit create post. All right. And as Facebook launches the publish post screen here, you want to click on these little three dots. And here you're going to find the polls. Click on that. Okay. And then simply what you want to do is you just want to come back over to the publish or the Adira poll engagement to get the content. Now, all you simply do is you just copy and paste this content, or I guess you could type it because it's so fast and easy, and just paste your headline here, do the two polls. Now, add emojis too, because that's going to get a lot of attention. Now, once you've pasted that in just a couple seconds, you can come down here and you actually can schedule this, or you can publish it now, or share now, as they say, but you can't actually do classic Facebook polls on Instagram. So there you have it. It literally takes just a minute, and you can launch super engaging polls that your fans and patients are going to want to love and share, and is going to help you get more reach in your Facebook page. So have a great day.